Welcome to my channel Phi Concepts CHM. This video is about crystal structure. This is the second part of crystal physics. First we will see about the simple cubic structure. In the simple cubic structure unit cell, you will find atoms at the corners. In the cube, you will find the atoms at the corners. And the corner atoms are such that two adjacent corner atoms, they touch each other. Next is the body-centered cubic cell. Here again you have the atoms located at the corners. You have atoms at the corners. In addition to that, there is one atom inside the body of the cell. Here see that the adjacent corner atoms, they don't touch each other. But all the corner atoms, they touch the body-centered atom. Next is the face-centered cubic structure. In this structure again we have the corner atoms. The corner atoms, they don't touch each other the way it does in the simple cubic structure. In addition to that, each face will have one atom at the center. So there are 6 faces. On each face there is a face-centered atom. And the atom, this face-centered atom, touches the 4 corner atoms. It is not shown in the diagram, but this face-centered atom touches the 4 corner atoms. This is a summary of whatever we had seen. The 3 structures: simple cubic, body-centered and face-centered cubic structure. Now we will find an expression for the lattice constant. In a cubic unit cell, the sides of the cube are equal and constant, which is known as lattice constant. So A is equal to B is equal to C, which we will call as a common constant, lattice constant A. So we'll consider a cubic unit cell with the lattice parameters A is equal to B is equal to C, which we'll take as common A, and the angles all are equal to 90 degree. Let rho be the density of the cell. Let the number of atoms per unit cell be equal to n. The atomic weight of the material is equal to m. Avogadro's number is denoted by n suffix a. Now, if the Na number of atoms are contained in a volume of m by rho meter cube, this is mass upon density, that is the volume. So in this much volume there are Na number of atoms. So small n atoms in a unit cell will be contained in how much volume? this volume we have to find. So we'll cross multiply. We get N into M divided by rho into Na. Length of each side in a unit cell is A. So this volume can be given as A cube. So the volume of the unit cell is A cube. So in this volume A cube, in this volume A cube, you can write down Nm upon rho Na. Rearrange this equation. You can also find the density of the crystal. Rho is equal to Nm upon A cube Na. Thank you for watching my video.